Hey, everyone. I'm John. We're going to play a game. We're playing Replicube, I think that's the name. I think I'm saying it right. Let me check yeah, Replicube. It's right there on the screen too. Totally forgot. It's right there. So it's about generating 3D objects made up of tiny little cubes. It's the first time I'm playing it. Yeah, we'll start. I never played this game. Welcome everyone to a video. The object area is divided up into a grid of these cubes, which are called voxels. A voxel can either be empty or filled in with a color from the palette. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 16. Okay. To create an object, you will write code to decide the value for each voxel. So if you're wondering how do I decide to play this game, I did see this on on Steam recommended page. I was saw it. It looks very lo-fi, I guess you can say, but it's like you're building something, but it almost reminds me of that number game where you fill in numbers and stuff like that, and then it makes a picture. Nintendo has a bunch of them. I forgot what it's called, but it looks interesting. And then the code part makes it more interesting. I've done HTML before, so maybe this is up my alley. I'm not sure. We'll see. Here is perhaps the simplest possible program. It simply returns a number, and all the voxels become that color. So it simply return a number. So return 12 and changes everything to 12. Okay, I get that. But wait, if my code only returns a single number, how can I possibly make a complex object? Good question. Look at that. Look at the question mark. Your code is not only run one time, actually your code is run separately from every voxel in the object area. In this example, your code is run 27 times, 3 times 3. So, what? Return 1. So is it that 1 right there, I'm assuming? That's what they're saying? That this 1 here is the one creating it? Oh man, what happened to my mouse? Oh, that sucks. My mouse died? I don't know if it died. Let me see if my mouse is good. I was just moving it just a little bit and then it stopped. Okay, there it is. Each voxel can be identified by its X, Y, and Z location. You can't believe how much of life stuff relies on this. When you not just by video games but other things. So Y is up, X is this, and Z is forward. So Y is up. What's up? What's up? Y. So X and Z. Okay. So what? Oh, okay. Each one. Okay, I get it. Y O. Because this is a block, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 0. So this is 0, 1, 2. It goes negative. Okay. When your code is run, special variables X, Y, Z are preset with the location of the current voxel. So really your code is the answer to the question, what is the value of the voxel at X, Y, and Z? Use X, Y, Z to decide. Like if I flip it so I know... Okay, I understand this. Whoa, why is my mouse dying like that right now? That is super weird. It feels like it's like catching my mouse. My mouse. Okay. Here's a slightly more complex example. You can see that the code returns different value depending on X, Y, Z. If X is 0, then return is 7. Oh my god, this is confusing. Okay. If X and X is going this way is 0, then return is 7. Okay, that makes sense. And then Y is green is 10, yeah. and Z is blue. So saying all zeros is all of them, and that one, okay. And then code, okay. What? Check mail. Oh, I got mail. This is really cool. Show all stickers. That's just one sticker. Add a sticker. Oh, how well is this? How well can I type this in? Move my controller. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Too Many Games. I am John Abaya. Here we are going to play. What was the game again? Oh god. Replicube. There. That's one of my stickers or stickies. Let's put it here. Check mail. Welcome. Yep, that's today's date. Sender replicube customer service. Welcome to replicube. Thank you for registering your replicube terminal. Please find the attached tutorial project to get you started. Ooh, okay, very basic. I think I'm just going to do a good 30 minutes of this game. I right now like how it looks, but I'm not going to spend an hour or so on this. So just join me on this video. Okay, let's go to the very basic. Oh my god, there's a lot coming out of this. Your job is to write code to generate an object that matches the one is upper right. Okay, upper right. Upper right? This? Oh, this is the whole thing. Your code will be run at every voxel location. Remember a number to set the material for the location. Value is in range 1 to or different color material. Of 0 or less will be empty spaces. Try modifying the code below to match the color in the reference. Comments in code starts with blah blah blah. Comments in code. Okay, try returning a different number color. Huh. There's documentation, reference, okay. Okay, code. This is what I... replicube is the application for using code, blah blah blah. On the right side below the screen below the documentation. What is this? Okay, an input of the program would be completely filled in cube like this. The program essentially says no matter which voxel are processed, set it to color 1. Okay, so return 1. So we just find 7, right? So we say 7. 7. Good. I got that one right. Color size to log into to post and view scores. Nah, I don't want that. I'm assuming that's a website, actual website. Remember, you are trying to match. Each time your code is run, 3 variables will be preset. For you, identify the location of the current voxel. These variables are x, y, and z, without quotes. You can use conditions to decide what value to return based on x, y, and z. So if y, this is where I always forget what y is. I wish they show the color, which ones. Okay, y there. So y is negative, then -1. What? Okay, if y is -1, this is -1, then 1 is 0? What? Return 1, else return 11. 11 is green? Okay, the white 1 is, okay, yeah. So everything below y is thing n doesn't mean end of the file. It means end of this, if then block. So this block is this, okay. That makes sense. Okay. So what am I doing here? Am I trying to do this? Type. Run code. So what am I doing? You can use engage. Remember that each time is based on what end code is. Am I just writing a code? Oh, I have to make that color. Oh, then can I copy and paste? Let's see that. Copy. and paste. Oh, you can. Okay. So return is dark blue, right? Oh, it's flipped. So I want +1? Yeah, +1. Okay. Y is what? Is it +1? No. Oh, 2? Nothing's changing there. 3? -2? So I know it's -1. How do I make those other ones pink? Okay, so I know the top part will be 12. So this is 0? Why is that changing? 1? It's still not changing. And this is orange, so it has to be 8. Okay, not sure what's happening here. Is this in the way? Oh, I see. Okay, so this is confusing it, right? That's what's happening here. It's confusing the. Okay, let's go back. Okay, I get this. So this is going to be 0? Yeah, and this is 12, and this is 8. Nice. Still a little bit confusing, but let's do this. Okay, conditions can be combined using keywords like and or. If y 0 and x, then return 1. Okay. And thing. So and then return 1. Okay. So okay, I'm moving it up. Can I move this? Okay, this is better now. That's a corner one. Then should make it small, right? So it's plus. How do I make it smaller though? Is it -1? No. 1? Oops. So it's up. So I got that right. So if I just... How do I do this? I know that's pink. Or wherever. Okay, that's 5. Okay, how do I do this? There has to be documentation for this. Geometry, code. Okay. If condition then code to run if true. Okay. This is where it's white. You can use keywords and or to combine multiple conditions. How do I make it small? Turn red. Okay. Turn red. Purple. Define a variable. 10 is my value. Subtraction. Okay, this is way out of my head now. Reference. Output from print statement will be up here. Add code tab. Oh. How do you delete these? Delete. Okay. How do I make it small? Use keywords like and or. What's or? Or? No. And? So I have to make it smaller. It's 3. We do commas? No. So documentation, scoring, geometry. Okay. Drag the axis. Okay, yeah. Pink, comp. Okay, then one turn. Need one that's width. For repaint must be unlocked. Projects no width. Okay, width of the vinyl. One thing. Okay, current frame number is. Current frame number is the extension of the voxel. So Z. So what is this code then? Z. Colors, name, coding. I need a picture where it's small. Is this stuff here? I don't know. Like none of this stuff I understand. No, there. These creates 2 boxes of different size and position. Okay. Oh, here it is. That's my ringtone. Okay. -2, box. Itself is boxes. Is red. So that red is what I need. So if I put what? So if I delete these, let's delete. So I put box 0 0 0 3 3 3. Okay. Why didn't it do anything? Oh, need a function. Okay. So copy that. Still nothing. And then what? Oh, it says and. Then. Oh, this. What am I missing here? If box is 0 0, returns 5. What's this and here? Oh, here, and. There it is. Okay. And I have to get it up there. Huh. Okay. Let me see. So if I change the number. So why is, okay, I copied that, it's 333, so why did it do that? What's the zeros representing? Okay, let's break down this. So width, it's correct, width, height, and depth. BZ B, Z, B, Y. Okay, so this changes it. So if I put 1, where does it go? So it's moving it to the left. And this is represent the Z axis. So across the thing. So what if I put 3, 2? Oh, okay, that's the max. So if I do Y up. Okay, Y is right here. What am I missing here? Oh, okay. Z is down. Nice! Okay. I had to like go through the documentation, but 69, nice. Like I said earlier. Okay, let's do one more. Oh my god. Ah, man, how do you do that? Okay. It's a lot. Sorry. ABs can be used to return the absolute value of a number. Absolute value is the positive side of a number. The absolute value of -5 is 5. Is very useful for simplifying making objects with symmetry. So it's 4 right now. It's white, so that doesn't matter. So let's put 3. Okay, it makes everything closer. Okay. 2 and 1. I'm missing a. What's 0 then? Oh, it makes everything 1. Okay. Oh, symmetry. I get it. So maybe symmetry is that. So let's do 2. How do you make it smaller now? So that's right. But I have to do it, but the size of the voxel. So the size is right there, but the top has to be different. So do I again go here? It's not a box though. This time. Oh, what's that green? I guess it's always boxes. But it's multiple boxes, so symmetry. It's red. So I guess you still use this, but I need to make 2 of these because the reference of that one too. Okay, I think I could do this. Okay, I'm again just copy and pasting this. It seems right. Okay, so and that. So if so, there's 2 of them. So I should make another one right here. So it's not really a red box, but I need to make it a symmetry. No, return that. How do you make it a symmetry? I can do the function of ABS. Man, this is confusing. This is really confusing. Oh, my mouse did the thing again. Oh, my mouse. I don't know if my mouse is dying. I think it's dying. Did it die? Okay, let me open this thing up. This is like real coders, right? Like, okay, use 2 AA. I'll be back. I'll leave the music on. Oh wow. My mouse cover is like really messed up. Okay. Okay, let's see if my mouse works. It's not working. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, this is really confusing still. So if I change this color 6, it's not working. So what's the error? Line 8. Line 8 is attempt to form. Okay, so let's take out this. So let's put box here. Okay, can you put box here? Or does it get rid of that code? So let's see. Oh. We can't really do that. Like, how do I make this object just the 3? So I want it this way. It's on 2. What if I add numbers? Nothing happened there. 2. What is happening there? Why would that make that 2 that big? Why did it does this? What's happening here? So what if I delete this code? Why did that happen like this? Can I do multiple things like box 1? 2? I don't understand this. Is there a cheat here? Add code tab. Oh. Delete. Show all stickies. Debug output. Print statement will appear here. See, I want that green, but then that green one is not what I really want, I guess. Into this code, return 0 to 5. The libraries are not loaded. Okay. Define a function. You can define your own function as well. If you have no idea what this is, don't worry about it too much. It's not needed for any puzzles, but it can make some things more convenient. You define a custom function with a basic format that goes here. Okay, and then end. Okay, name and arguments. So function arrange. So I thought if I put this, it will change it. So if I put like ABS, right? It deletes it though. Because ABCs can be used to return the absolute value of a number. Absolute value is the positive size of a number. The absolute value of -5 is 5. Wait. Oops. Oh my god. What just happened? Okay, that's box. So, is -5? What was this, 2? What? Remember, the absolute value is -5. It is very useful to specify making subject. But how do you make it negative? There's no negative there. Okay, the absolute value is the positive size of a number. The absolute value of but if I do like if box is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see, 3, 3, return as 2. Why is that turning the way I want it? Oh, it's missing. No. Something error. 13. Oh, I see it. Then. What? Searching and expected to close if at line 11 near S. So you can't have, you have to put else if? So where's that box? I don't see that box though. So if this box exists, where is it? Because what I can do is basically if ABS, what is that? Z? No. So that is X. That's, oh, I'm looking at it wrong. That's right. How do you, what's Y then? What if I just copy this? Y, then return. Why is that not working? If I do else cell. Okay. How do you make this now to 3? Yeah, I don't know how to solve this. So, show sticky notes. Device menu. Oh, am I beginning? Okay, preview. Bind to grid. Okay. Empty field. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. write code, return program. Yeah, 1. Make complex object. Good question. Is it so simple? The code is run 27 times, so throughput. As your code is run separately from every voxel in the object area. In this example, your code is run 27 times. Okay, that's okay. I understand that. Z. Yeah, but how do you make them? I understand that part. Here, this is it. So, how do you make it smaller though? Self Z 0, then return. Okay. Still don't understand that part. How do you make it small? That's the part I don't understand. So it seems like there's a box you can do it in, but then like the one way I can do this is just copy this code and basically make voxels, multiple voxels, all white, and each one will just represent the area basically, like we did earlier. But I don't understand how to make these smaller. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 of those, right? That's weird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it's 11. I don't understand. So it's like 2, right? There's 2 of them. We know that. ABS can be used to return the absolute value of a number. The value is the positive size of a number. The absolute value of -5 is 5. Okay, useful. Okay, it's so basically it's copying, but I can't do that. Like if I put ABS, it messes up the code. I'm assuming because it's X, right? So if we do like 2. It won't do it. If I hit 2, it will do it? No. Because in my mind, I can do this with this code right here, but I want to make a small. See, that one did it. This creates 2 boxes of different size and position. And I get it. Like those are the things. These. What's ABS here? Does it help functions? Signs. See, ABS isn't even on here. Okay, operation comparison, my variables, and see, I get this part because you just change it white, but how do you change the size of it? What? How did I get that? I wish it just says like show the code. Like I want to see the code for this. How do I do that? Oh. This is confusing. This is just scoring the game. Width of a canvas, usually 20. Okay, some social variable, that's it. Largest value. So let's do this. Maybe I can just do it this way. I have to make multiple boxes basically. And just put it here. Basically, like, I have to delete all this. Oh my god. Let's delete all this. I know it's showing me that one thing. I have to do this. Then copy. Enter, paste. It gives me those, but I can change the boxes to 1, then 1, oops, 1, and then the size of them, right? So let's just do 1. Oh man, this is having changed the size. What is happening here? What happens to the other box? Okay, let's change this to. What is happening here? With 5. Where's this box? Whew, okay. I don't know what happened to the other box. Okay, let's delete this again. And this is frustrating. Okay. Oh, that green one. So that green one's the one I actually want. Because it's skinning already. Okay, red box. You're out of here. That one is that. So 1. So what makes this? So 3 by 4. And the thing I want to do is that. Right. So my height is 1. What if you not do this? Like, what if I take off this rearrange? I don't understand why that thing's like that big. What if it's 1? This is 1. This is 1. Whew, how did it... Oh man. Why is it a box? Did I know this was moving it? So I put 0. What? And this is... So if I can do this, so this is 2, 2. No. This is 2. Okay, what's 2? Okay, that's 2. So if I move it 1, no, that's right. So 1. That's actually 0. It's actually 3. What? How's that 4? So -1? How do I make it 2? 2? Okay. I'm gonna have to make it long. 3. Okay, I should change this. 2, 3. Maybe that's it. How do I make it stretch? That's it. This is 1. So that's correct. So 2 and 1 is correct. This is 3. That's not correct. So this is negative. So I should leave this -1. Three. Oh, it made it bigger. So put 5, 6. 6. But I move this to -5. What? 0. Okay, what's this 2 again? 3. What am I doing here? No, so 2 is the thing. Oh man, this is weird. Okay. So -5? No. 5? How did I make it go down? Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here. This is confusing. I need to read more of this. But this is replicube. You get it on Steam. I'm gonna play more of this, not recording a video, just to understand it. Just check them out. It's free right now on Steam. But yeah, thank you everyone for watching this video. It is I don't understand this coding. I kind of a little bit reminds me of HTML, but it's just very odd. I know. So the box X, I guess is the starting position, but then when I move this, like -5. Yeah, so we wanted that 2. Oh man. Oh, it's -2. So the X is right there. So it's +2. But how do you make it to Y? So Y is right here, but if I put -5, oh, and the height. Maybe I maybe there's 5 boxes, so I want 11. Yeah, right. Okay, so I need to make another one of this, but move it to the left. Okay, let's make another box, but you have to have that other wording, right? L. So L. And then move it to -2. There. Right? It's like close, the closest I've been. 3, yeah. Now, how do you like change this? So maybe this video's at the ending yet. I just needed more confidence in myself. Hey, let's change these numbers. So 2, 3, just so we know which one's which. Actually, let's do this 6. Okay, and I believe in that documentation it could be near each other. Yeah. So let's delete that. Okay, this is the harder one. So I have to do a box, and then let's leave all this, right? But now it has to be flat. The height should be only 1, right? And then let's change this to 8, and then like move it by -4. Okay, where is this box? Why is that showing up? 4, 5. Maybe just move it to the left. Okay, there it is. Okay, so it's way down there, and then because -5 is Y, so that's Y. So let's move it to -2. Yeah, and then this is 2, 1. No, it's 2. How do I just make it one thing? The width, height, and depth. So this is the depth. So that's 1 right here, right? What? Oh, 3. No, 2. Okay. It feels like this is the thing. Yes. And then this should be 11. No, this is 0. This should be 11. And I should move it the X. So X should be here. -5. Okay, we got somewhere. So copy this. I just have to move it just a little bit. So we want this to go to up, right? So Y is B. So we need to be in 2? No, that doesn't make sense. Oh, it's -2 now. This is just 2. Right? So I just have to change everything to white. So 1. This is not how you do it too. Oh god. And 1. There it is. Look at that. I cheated. I did not use that AB absolute thing. But that's the end of the video. I solved it. I just went around and did my own code. Thank you everyone to watch this. There's too many games with John. Hope you just watch more of this. This video got way too long for myself. But yeah, I like this game. I'm going to play more of it. I'll come back, maybe make a shorter video of my overall thoughts of it. But thank you for watching of me trying to code this thing. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye everyone.